Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm doing something completely different and I'm heading over to the outlet mall to shop with my mom for spring, and I wanted to bring you guys along with me. So she'll be helping me for this video. We'll see how this turns out, but I figured I would just kind of take you guys along shopping with me. I'll try some stuff on and I will link whatever I can in this video. It's a little bit different. I typically shop only online for my try on hauls, so we'll see what you guys can get as well. If you don't have an outlet near you, that is, of course. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's definitely a little bit different. Let me know what you think, and I will check in with you guys once I get to the outlet mall. We made it to the outlet. Mom is a little camera shy. Just casually. She's heading in. She's gonna be my videographer for the day. We're heading into Saks. So I figured, I don't know what we'll do. Let's see. Oh, it looks cute. Yeah. Let me
so good at pretending. Keep on smiling in my tiny bubble, like I'm moving without ending. Spending time like it was going backwards. Posters covering my walls, but they fall down. Diving deeper in the books that we read blind. Breathing in and breathing out to get smarter. Not working out for me, yeah.
I had to show you guys this little gem. It's a little dwarf. How much are they? They're $269 for anyone who wants them.
Oh my gosh, it's
I know,
Snow White.
it's a Snow White. And they're almost $300.
Oh
And there's only one.
and they've been used and abused.
Yeah.
His nose is
It's got a little chip nose. Can't make this up. I always look for these gems, by the way, when I'm shopping.
adorable.
Blazer.
Yeah, with the little strawberry t-shirt underneath.
So I got 2 teas at J. Crew Factory, and now we're heading over to Kate Spade, which is like my favorite place to go in. Mom's rocking a little Kate Spade bag right now. Little cutie. And I'm already hungry, so we're already talking about lunch. And she agreed to getting nails a mani and pedi, but we'll see. She'll probably be over it by the time we're done.
No doubt.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break Go away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting.
These are cute. Oh, those are cute. And these.
Those are more summery looking.
Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it light. And tomorrow's far away. Should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something. Let us on tonight. Got a restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we get cold. You can take us out, your doubts won't hold us down. 'Cause we're gonna light up the sky where we go. Oh, oh. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it light. And tomorrow's far away. Should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something. Let us on tonight.
All done at the outlet mall.
Nail place over here, isn't there? I bet
Oh, maybe. We're trying to find a nail place. We called one and they were like, we're booked. And I was like, okay. Don't hear that often. But we'll see if we get a mani-pedi. We're all done. Hope you enjoyed this video.
Ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the